So you've all been kind of wondering, if you follow me on Instagram, what those little pictures of my exhaust, and I was saying like, oh, something big's coming. Now I'm gonna tell you what that big something was. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of awesome little treats, little treats. The big reveal is I was sponsored, guys. Can you believe that? I know, I'm a little excited. My first ever sponsorship is by Toce Performance exhausts. You probably have totally heard of them. They are an awesome group of people. They're real riders, and they make custom exhausts. Not only exhausts, but full system race exhausts to enhance performance of your motorcycle. They have a website you can go to, and I'll put the description in the, I'll put the link in the description down below, and you can check out to see what they can provide for your bike. And they don't just do full system exhausts, but they also do slip-ons. Toce exhausts have been treating me with the utmost respect, and they work out of the US. They're over in Connecticut, and they're putting out some amazing custom builds. They really know what they're doing, and they've been seeing a lot. I mean, you can hashtag Toce exhausts and really see a lot of their systems already on a lot of bikes. That's TOCE. I would do it in sign language, but I'm a little rusty. TO. I don't remember. And please, guys, if you haven't already done, please hit that subscribe button right here. And check out this video or this video, and push that like button and that little bell, because I'm going to be putting out a video soon that's going to have the new Toce exhaust system on it, and it's going to look great. It's going to sound great. I can't wait.